How to join a Microsoft Teams meeting. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Microsoft Teams is a collaboration platform developed by Microsoft which allows video meetings, workplace chat, file storage, and application integration into a single platform. So if you are confused how to facilitate the communication and collaboration within your organization and team members, here is a quick tutorial. So to start off with, you need to open your Teams on your device, or you could open any of the browser and go to the web version of the Microsoft Teams. Once that is done, make sure to log in into your account. Once logged in, you will see interface like this. So to get started on mobile, you can tap on the button given, or if you want to join a meeting, first of all, you can go to the activity section. In activity section, you will find the community, spark discussions, connecting with others, and much more. Likewise, you can otherwise click on the another option which is for chat. Thereby, you will see any meeting which is lined up or linked. Just have to tap on join button and you will be good to go. Another way out is going on the calendar option from the side panel, and there on the top you have either join with ID, meeting once, or set up a new meeting. To join a scheduled meeting, you just have to tap on it on the calendar and you have the joining option. Once you tap on the join option, you will have to give permissions for the video as well as audio. Click on allow and you're good to go. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.